Hi, I'm Alex and welcome to All Marine Services YouTube channel. I wanted to point out that in the last month we have purchased the moulds from Caribbean for their original Caribbean 26 Flybridge and Runabout. We're going to rename the boats as H&M Boatworks because we didn't buy the rights to the Caribbean name, but it is the exact same boat. And those people that have been around boating for a very long time will know the importance and the history and pedigree of the Bertram Caribbean 26. So our boats are going to be outboard powered. We're not going to mess around with stern drives and things like that. So we're going to bring them more into the new millennium. We're also going to be fitting a lot better quality components, brightwork and hinges and cleats and things like that, and better quality windows and accessories. And we aim to start production in the new year, which will be 2026. And if you're interested, by all means contact us through the website or by phone, as we hope to have some boats out on the water in the first quarter of next year.